Say gang, I'm back with another YouTube video due to inconveniences in storage and camera and all that purposes. I ain't been uploading it consistent as I was, but that's okay. It's my birthday weekend / week, and we gonna continue to rock out, continue giving y'all bangers, continue putting that work in. No cap. So look, give me a like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna do a mukbang in this video. We're gonna do a hot box in this video. We're gonna upload, we're gonna grind, and we're gonna continue with the vibes, you know what I'm saying? I said my birthday on the 27th. I believe today is the 23rd, 22nd, one of those. I don't know, but I know it's coming up fast. I'm trying to run it up, grind, and you know, put that work in so I can turn up with y'all. But y'all already know I'm coming with the vibes. No cap. We've made it this far in the video. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna get into the video. Let's go. Like I said, due to storage situation, we have to switch phones, switch cameras, so quality change, as y'all gonna see. But we're gonna continue with the video. No cap, no kizzy. You already know how we come, man. Give me the 1K subscribers, road to 1K. And yeah, my birthday weekend, we lit. So like I said, I showed y'all the food, I showed y'all that shit buzzing. We're just gonna continue where we left off, man. No cap. Skin crispy as hell. It was busting. And I ain't ate all day either, so that's probably another reason why it's busting, but it's fine. Okay. It's juicy chicken. I don't know for sure I'm gonna be full, but I'm being full right now. On some fat shit. Put a little cheese on it. Yes, sir. I get this an 8 out of 10. It could have been a little better, but it bust for what it is. No cap. So, oh, messy and shit. Hold on. My bad. I'm gonna clean up. So, cap. I'm gonna roll me a good Woodyton, and we gonna spark it up, man. We gonna catch vibe. We gonna continue rocking out with the video. You already know we coming. No cap, no kizzy. Hey, if you made it this far in the video, man, I need you to do a couple things for me. It's free. Why not do it, man? And you support. Ooh, excuse me. What the fuck get to me? You support me, and not only that, you gonna watch me grow. We gonna grow together. So, like, comment, subscribe, and be a part of the notification gang, RCG gang. I ain't got my chain on, but I'm finna go to work in a minute, so I don't even need to look bedazzled right now and all that. So, with further introduction, let's go. Yo, alright, gang, we back. So, I ain't gonna lie, that food smack really will make me want to go to sleep, but I ain't even gonna do that. But we coming back, bro. We got the situated. I'ma blur it out because YouTube be on that. Yeah, but you already know, man. Catching the vibe. You made it this far. Like, comment, subscribe. This a mukbang / hot box / ketchup. Just ain't dropping in a few days. But you already know how we coming. We working, and we working at the same time. So we working and doing this, and we working behind the scenes. No cap. catching the vibe, man. Watching some V-Long XAJ, man. Shout out to bro. I mess with bro heavy. I mess with V-Long XAJ, AB/Daily Avery, Elijah, ATL, Jazz, Flo, Amar, everybody in that FOE family. I mess with everybody at SSG, Corey, DC, etc. Everybody in the crew to put in their work. Funny boy Corey and his people. I mess with everybody, bro. YouTube's community is big, but it's small at the same time. So you can get in contact and work with YouTubers. It's just you just gotta put that footwork in. In order for you to get monetized and stuff, and like start getting paid from YouTube, or just like have your videos like on like the front page, like the recommendations, you gotta be consistent. You gotta consistently drop. Once you consistently drop, then your video is gonna be on the recommended. But they gotta hit also too though at the same time. But y'all get what I'm saying. But yeah. We've been going up in subscribers. And I appreciate it, man. We at almost 40 subscribers. Like I said, we're on the road to 1K. Give me a 1K and be the first to comment. You already know what I'm doing. I'm doing that Cash App giveaway, no cap. And it end when I say it end. Or however, y'all really gonna determine how it go. Y'all show support, then I'll keep it going. But you gotta be like a video. You gotta comment on a video. And you gotta be subscribed to the channel to order to win the giveaway. And I'm trying to find me a good vendor, man, so I can come out with some custom merch. I can come out with merch anytime. I just don't want to come out with no BS. I want it to be good quality clothes, good quality production. Cause I don't, just want to put out anything and then y'all don't like it. And I know what I like, so I'm gonna find something I like and I'm gonna put it out there for y'all. That's coming soon, man. But that's coming soon as the channel come along too. So like I said, y'all gonna grow with me. Whole game lit. Half of you niggas wanna be nothing without that scam. You dropping bands on here, designer, you ain't got no profit. That shit way better than now that's him. Music video on the way. Shout out V-Long, man. Shout out V-Long. You gotta support everybody. They do what you do, especially if they up like you or greater than you. You gotta support, man. No cap, no kids. Big Ghost. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 8:34 p.m.
Like a little peach. Gotta keep up with the time schedule, man, because, like I said, we on the schedule. So, that's like the teen alcohol. Like, comment, subscribe to the videos, man. I'm gonna roll to 100K. I mean, 1K. Shit, even 100K. Sky's the limit. It don't even matter. But start a step right now. We on the road to 1K. You made 1K subscribers. Go on the Cash App giveaway, man. You already know how we coming, man. No kids, no cap. But yeah, man, that's the end of this hotbox / mukbang. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, be a part of the notification gang, RTG gang. It's the 3 letters, man, RTG. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to comment, if you want to subscribe, be part of the family, subscribe. You already know the comments at the end of the video. If you smoking, comment down below and let me know what you smoking on, whether it be the wrap or what you put in it. No cap, no kizzy. Right now we on that side with candy. No cap.